Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add signature in Zoho Mail. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser, search for mail.zoho.com and sign in your account. Okay? So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on this settings icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on that. And now what you need to do is to search for signature right here. Now once you've searched for signature, what you need to do is to just go ahead and name your signature right here. And if you have any signature, just go ahead and copy that signature and paste it right here. Okay, so now as you can see, there's the signature position. So if you want your signature placed above quoted content, click on this one or select this one. Or if you want it below quoted content, just go ahead and select this one. Okay, so if you allow signature in replies, just go ahead and turn this switch on. And if you don't want to, just go ahead and toggle this switch off. Okay, so for example, this is the signature. So click on update. As you can see, signature updated successfully. Okay, so now just go ahead and create an mail. So right here, so just go ahead and type the email of your friend or whoever you want to send this mail. And then what you need to do is I'm sorry, so once you click on new mail, as you can see, this is my signature, right? So just go ahead and type the email of your friend or whoever you want to send this email. Okay, so now you can just go ahead and simply type your mail right here or wherever you want to put it, the subject, then just go ahead and click on send. Okay, and that is how you add signature in Zoho Mail. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.